Hey guys, with so many of us out there unable to visit our favorite restaurants and stuck cooking meals at home, it can be a little disheartening if you don't have the skills of your favorite chef. But don't worry, there are tons of options available that allow you to create restaurant quality food right in your own home, and that is by using a meal kit food delivery service. Now there are tons of options out there, but we've done a lot of research on this topic, so today we'll be breaking down the best 5 meal kit delivery food services and going over some of the benefits and features of each one. Now I will leave links to each service down in the description below, along with any special deals or discounts that I find, so feel free to check them out there if you're interested. Now for those of you who might be unfamiliar with what a meal kit food delivery service is, basically, it's a subscription that changes how you cook, eat, and spend time with your friends and family. Basically, these services will ship you all of the ingredients and instructions to be able to create amazing dishes right at home. They basically lay it out for you so it couldn't be easier. All you have to do is simply follow the instructions and enjoy the delicious food and all the time you saved grocery shopping and looking for recipes online. It's also a great way to try some unique and different food that you might not generally try in your daily routine. So, up first, we have Home Chef, and this is the best overall option for meal kit delivery service. Now, the reason we highly recommend Home Chef is because they have unbelievably high-quality ingredients, very well-written recipes, and fantastic flavors. One of the great features about Home Chef as well is the service organization makes it incredibly easy to set up your account and purchase your orders. Not only were the recipe instructions consistently clear, but the time estimates were largely accurate, meaning that you could budget your time in the kitchen accordingly. Their website is also fantastic and very easy to navigate, and basically it allows you the freedom to choose meals and skip delivery weeks at will, so you're not locked into a certain period if you don't wish to be. Also, another great thing for all of you environmentally conscious people is that Home Chef does have biodegradable packaging, which is just a nice added bonus. Honestly, if you are looking for the best overall experience, then definitely check out Home Chef. At number 2, we have Sunbasket, and this is a great option for those of you who are vegetarians. Now, one thing to note here is that Sunbasket is not an entirely vegetarian service, but it does offer a huge variety of quick, flavorful, plant-based meals, and that's going to be a huge hit among all the vegetarians and omnivores in your household. A great thing here is the ingredients are largely organic, and the recipes are truly delicious. One of the best things that we did notice about Sunbasket is that the meals came together with just a few key ingredients and spices, meaning that they were simple to put together, but the combination of flavors and the experience was just truly top-notch. Sunbasket does lean heavily into the South and East Asian flavors, and that's why it's a strong service for vegetarians. It tends to avoid the carb-centric dinners that are so often the only option for people who avoid eating meat. So again, if you are a vegetarian, then definitely check out this option. Just one thing to note with Sunbasket, their cancellation policy is really difficult. You have to call a very difficult to find number and speak to a customer service representative rather than emailing or clicking a button on your account. It's very, very hard to cancel this service, so just note that coming in, that you might have to put in a little bit of extra work to make sure that your order is canceled. And also note that though some of their ingredients are largely organic, the company is not certified organic like Green Chef. But these are small complaints in an otherwise great package that again will be great for all of your vegetarian needs. Honestly, you're going to be really glad that you checked out Sunbasket for all of the amazing food that they offer. Our next option is Freshly, and this is the best pre-made meal delivery kits. Now, as great as these meal kit delivery services are, sometimes if you do have a very busy life, you still don't have time to prepare these meals. Well, don't worry, because there are options to have everything pre-prepared for you, and Freshly definitely has the best option for these pre-made meal delivery kits. Freshly will deliver ready-to-eat meals directly to your door with no cooking required. Even still, they have high-quality ingredients and large portion sizes to make sure that you get the best out of the service. Once you receive it, all you have to do is pop it in the microwave and you're good to go. You would never know that you're eating a reheated meal. Honestly, with a lot of these pre-made dinners, sometimes the portion sizes can be a problem, but the portions here were not only more than enough to feed everyone, but they were also packed with flavor and very delicious. Again, the cancellation process is a little bit cumbersome here, but it's definitely worth it to get these amazing pre-made meals and really cut down on your daily kitchen time. So again, for those of you who are on a tight schedule and you don't have time to cook big elaborate meals, then definitely check out Freshly to get the best pre-made meal delivery kits. Next up, we have HelloFresh. Now, HelloFresh has been around a while and they're definitely a meal kit veteran. And honestly, out of all of these that we reviewed, they provided some of the overall best recipes and food experiences. Now, one thing to note here is the recipes are a little bit more complicated than some of the others, but if you put in the work, you're going to have a fantastic gourmet dish that your whole household will enjoy. Now, last but not least, we have EveryPlate. Now, EveryPlate is actually owned by HelloFresh, and they're the most affordable meal kit service that we've tested. The meals are incredibly reasonably priced, but they're still not sacrificing on quality. The meals are still delicious, and the ingredients, again, are high quality and fresh. So again, guys, if you are somebody with a very busy life and you really don't want to spend hours after you get home from work in the kitchen trying to prepare a meal, then this is a great option for you. It's not only fast and efficient, it's often a healthier option, and you're going to have restaurant quality food every single night. So if you are interested in any of these meal kit delivery services, just a reminder, I will throw links to them down below, along with any special discounts or coupon codes that I can find, so you get the best deal possible if you're interested. Otherwise, hopefully this video was helpful for you, and hopefully you'll be able to enjoy some restaurant quality food right in your home very soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.